how to change the keyboard size to make it bigger or smaller on the Samsung Galaxy A15. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on general management. And from here, we go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, scroll down and then tap on size and transparency. And from here, you can drag on the handle to resize it. So you can pull it down to make it smaller. You can drag on the handle to increase it. You can also make it narrower or wider. And that's it. So if you want to tap on the reset button, you can also do that by tapping on the reset button. And that will reset the keyboard size back to the factory default settings. After that, tap on done. And that's it. So that is how you can change the keyboard size to make it a larger or a smaller keyboard. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.